day.
What's up, brother?
Good to see you, man.
Oh yeah.
Thought you were off today.
Couldn't stay away from you guys?
Ha! Good excuse.
All clear, bunch it!
Battalion 1 reports people trapped over 3 minutes out.
My kid's inside. Please, he's under the bed. Please help me.
4 to command. We have heavy fire loading in the Alpha Bravo corner. Get out of there.
Door stuck. Got it. Hang on. Kick. I see it. Good boy. Easy, kitty. I got you. I've got the feline bedroom alpha side coming out now.
Copy, bring it out. Watch your exit fire making the hall. Evac!
Oh my baby, you got her.
Easy, got her. She's okay.
Oh, God. Thank you.
Rescue 4, catch out patient with family.
Shaking, please help her.